Bataan ka man dito ha.
Okay, Nick. Ganun pa rin. Yan, go. Kick, kick, kick. Bubbles, pull.
Ano yung bubbles? Big flash. Big flash. Flash.
Balik.
Big flash.
Let's go.
Big flash.
Kick, kick, kick. Bubbles, pull.
Paano?
Kick, kick, bubbles, pull.
Samauna yung bubbles.
Okay, go. Warm up ka muna. Hands on your side. Okay.
Oh, you stay.
Go.
Spider-Man.
1, 2, 4, 5,
Ulit.
7,
1,
8,
2,
9.
yes, syempre.
Nako na, Kuya Coach.
Ako mo dito, di ba?
Very good. Oh, practice daddy with, paddling. You will sit on daddy's lap, and then you will sing row, row your boat, like this, and move your hands underwater. Bilang mo. Life is fun as we faster. Row, row, row your boat. Okay, you do that fast and slow. Hey. So that you can swim like, whoa. Huh? Moving your hands underwater. Practice. Now. Oh, ikaw na. Ay, sinodin pa pala. Makalag-galang. Okay, ready and go. Kick, kick, kick.
Oh, more. Close open. Okay. Dito ka. Close open. Okay, close open. Para nakano siya. Binuruan siya. Paano makapit?
Ouch! Allah!
Master.
Pull. Kick, kick, kick. Pull.
Sige nga, swim ka nga.
Jump again.
Tignan ko nga.
No! Maximus kami.
Hindi ko alam.
Maximus!
Bag.
Alika na dito.
Oh, tingnan mo, Luke. Tapos, i-slide ko to. Pinupush ko siya papasok para so walang lift na nangyayari. Okay? Alright. This time, back stroke, kick, side. Iba kayo, ibang level kayo. Okay. Roll your boat. Wow! Kaya mo kaming mag-kick. Ikaw mag-kick ka, ha?
Sige na. Hindi. Boat. Down the street. Ganun yung kamay mo. Faster.
Turn.
What? Naglubog ako. Nag-Spider-Man ako.
Hindi ko nakita, patingin. Lubog. 1, 2, 3, go! Ay!
Ganun na ako.
Ang galing ah. Pero ganito ah, close ang mouth pero open ang eyes.
Ito mouth.
Okay, Nick, ready, set, go! 1, 2,
No, ganun na yung
3,
maayos na.
bubbles, strike!
Ganun na. Look mo si Dad.
1, 2, 3, bubbles, strike! Okay.
Okay?
Huwag mo naman akong flashan ng puso.
More? 1, 2, what's your book?
Face down first. Kasi you can win. Pag nakakuha ka ng hangin, wala nang gagawin ko dyan.